channel Udyoga Mahiti. There is a notification in High Court of Karnataka of second division assistant post. There are 142 second division assistant post has been called in High Court of Karnataka. The method of recruitment is based on the amendment rules which has been followed by 1973. The minimum qualification required is a degree. The minimum qualification required is a degree which may be in any of the stream: science, arts, commerce, business management, BCom, BBA, and computer applications. Degree in computer applications. The general category students has to get minimum 55% marks in their degree, as well as 50% marks for the reserved scheduled caste and scheduled tribe reserved s- students. And the must and should condition to be satisfied is a computer course certification has to be done in any of the computer coaching education. Like minimum computer basics course has to be completed from any computer coaching institute. The certification has to be submit at the time of the document verification as well as joining process. Coming to the scale of pay, the basic pay for the second division assistant in High Court of Karnataka starts from 25,500 rupees to 81,100 rupees. Level 4, fourth commission pay scale is going on as per the recruitment notification shows. The probationary period is there for 2 years and it can be extendable based on the behavior as well as the character of the candidate during his or probationary period. Coming to the age limit, 40 years age is eligible for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe of category 1 candidates, and 38 years is for 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B and other word backward classes. And for remaining caste, 35 years is the maximum extendable age relaxation. And moreover, coming to the vacancies classification, these are the vacancies classification chart. Three backlog posts were there and 127 fresh posts were there. General merit is having the post up to 62. Scheduled class is 18 plus 1 backlog. Scheduled tribe 4 plus 1 backlog. Category 1 5 plus 1 backlog. 2A 18, 3 2B 5, 3A 5 and 3B 7 posts. Total it is of 127 posts. And the mode of selection, the exam conduction is like this: English essay for 30 marks, it will be there. Minimum qualification or qualifying marks is 20. Translation from Kannada to English is for 30 marks, and minimum marks candidate should get is 20. Test of general knowledge is for 20 marks. Minimum marks qualification is 10 marks, and Viva voice for 20 marks, and the candidate should get 10 marks. The examination is overall for 100 marks, and the minimum qualification or the qualifying marks is 60 marks. Coming to the payment, online payment is there from the SBI, and Chalan form also is there from the SBI. 350 rupees has to be paid by the general category applicants, and the 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B students has to pay 200 rupees. And the last date for this recruitment drive is 24th September of 2021, 24th of August, sorry, 24th of August 2021. Please start filling the application and grab the opportunity. All the best.